advised Kilo 33 and Kilo 34, your current LZ is too hot. Roger that. Dodge, stand by to receive and respond.
Yes, Commander. Coordinates received. Initiate immediate course correction. The Office of Naval Intelligence Sword Base is presently under siege from a Corvette-class Covenant vessel. Due to the sensitive nature of this facility, use of orbital rounds has been, for the moment, prohibited. Regrettably, my efforts to obtain relevant data on enemy forces have been unsuccessful. However, current defensive forces are insufficient. ONI has requested Team Noble's direct intervention to help secure Sword Base.
Alright, people. We're stuck with that ship for the time being. Let's focus on the hostile infantry. Give those troopers a hand. Cat 6, you're out here. George, Emil, you're next. Get prepped.
Let's move, Lieutenant.
Cat 6, push back the attack on Sword Base. Find out what we're dealing with.
Roger that. We're your strike team. Gonna keep every last one of you.
Spartans, hostiles north.
Let's knock some heads, Lieutenant.
Spartans.
Cat 6, push back the attack on Sword Base. Find out what we're dealing with.
Roger that. We're your strike team.
Spartans, hostiles north.
Let's knock some heads, Lieutenant. Let's compromise.
Contact, Spartans.
Time to make our move. Fire! Noble 2 to Sword Control. Courtyard is clear. Over.
Head for the main gate to the east. I'll brief you as you go.
Sword Control, I see a target locator. Any artillery support in the area?
Limited, but we'll prioritize whatever you need, ma'am.
Echo 5-7, headed back to base, but we've got enemy tangles on our 6. How copy?
Affirmative. Go on the chute. Over.
Limited, but we'll prioritize whatever you need, ma'am.
Echo 5-7, headed back to base, but we've got enemy tangles on our 6. How copy?
Acknowledge. Shoot as a go. Out.
Limited, but we'll prioritize whatever you need, ma'am.
Echo 5-7, headed back to base, but we've got enemy tangles on our 6. How copy? That Wraith has a tenant sight!
Fire for effect.
Limited, but we'll prioritize whatever you need, ma'am.
Echo 5-7, headed back to base. We've got enemy tangles on our 6. How copy?
Telemetry received. On standby.
Get out of there!
Limited, but we'll prioritize whatever you need, ma'am.
Echo 5-7, headed back to base. We've got enemy tangles on our 6. How copy?
Fire for effect. Over.
Oh, hell.
6, use the target locator on that Wraith.
Go on the chute. Over.
Outstanding. Pelican inbound with transport 6.
The old Farragut station has its own comms array. That should bring us back online with command. Airview Base has an anti-air battery that will help clear the skies.
AA gun is to the west, comms array is to the east. Let's roll. Hope that comms array has a working generator.
Forming a line on you, Noble.
Let's search the area for a generator, 6.
gotta take point. Revenant! Incoming! Get some!
I've been shot.
That Revenant's trying to toast me! Revenant toast! I'm clear.
Okay, generator is up and running. Find that comms array. Should be up high.
Ready for enemy reinforcements. Taking ground. No mercy. Keep that up. Not over here.
Activate the comms.
Firing at target. Somebody take that thing out!
Line them up.
I'm clear.
You did it, 6.
Let's get out of
Comms
here.
array up and running. Now let's head for Airview Base and get that AA gun online.
Spartans, this is Sword Control. Thought you could use some mobile firepower.
Always. Take that hog, 6.
I'm gonna argue with a Spartan. That's right. I don't know what to say.
Picking up a power source. We're close to the AA gun. That's the gun over there.
I'm with you,
Should
6.
be a reset control somewhere to get it online. I just plan on making it quick, or Vince, where... Picking up a power source. We're close to the AA gun. That's the gun over there. Should be a reset control somewhere to get it online.
Right behind you. Phantom spot. Who's next? Your mother dresses you funny!
Vince, where are you? It's steady.
I got a phantom on approach. I'm with you, 6. Lieutenant, look out! This one's mine. Only good comes and dead comes. I'm on you,
Forward,
6.
that's it, bro.
Cover it! Target down! Target down! Yeah! Phantom, I'm gonna miss you up bad! Clear! Down! Somebody take that thing out!
That's even 6. AA gun is online. Police the armor. Leave the body for you guys. Get that goal.
Noble strike, this is Noble leader. Get back to Sword Base ASAP.
On our way, Commander. 6, let's go.
Good work, Spartans. Return to Sword Base. The rest of your team is inbound, imminent.
Now it's gonna be fun. I'll put it to good use.
Be advised. Covenant Corvette moving into position. Attack, 6. Get here quick. We'll meet you inside.
Revenant, roll this! Get that ghost off of me! Covering fire! Neutralize! Enemy ghost down!
We're stalled in the tower atrium. Cat, where are you?
Opening the gate now.
Welp! My metal! Got him! Firing!
orbital support. Got to be 4 platforms that could take it out with a single Mac round.
Welcome to the Office of Naval Intelligence. An Army representative will be with you shortly.
I doubt that very much. Grenade! Getting a new aim.
Lieutenant, you have critical access.
Taking rounds! Grenade! Reposition. Get off my back! Grenade!
Oled! Everybody move up! That's too hot. Sparky, over here.
6, head upstairs and assist the meal. George, make sure he gets there.
Depend on it. Not on my planet.
Let's flush him out. Glad to be aboard. Right behind you, Lieutenant.
Soldier down!
Oh, making noise.
Say the word.
Corvette's gonna rip this base apart. What's the situation, Noble?
Can't do this on my own! Need another Spartan up here!
I'm in position.
6, get to the top floor and assist the meal.
Hello, gentlemen.
I'm in cover.
Give me the assist over here. My boy's putting on a clinic over here.
We're going in.
Drink the numbers, right? Let's do it.
Corvette's gonna rip rip this base apart. What's the situation, Noble?
Can't do this on my own. Need another Spartan up here. 6, get to the top floor and assist the meal.
Nothing to report. Affirmative. Clear. Let's be friends. I'll get you back.
Going in after them.
What you? Guys like you.
Where'd it go? I'm in.
Enemy shot over here.
Ready to rock, Lieutenant. Right here, LT. Oh, this is more my speed. I'm in. On your 6, LT.
Kick ass, man.
Corvette's gonna rip this base apart. What's the situation, Noble?
Can't do this on my own. Need another Spartan up here. 6, get to the top floor and assist the meal.
Hey, buddy, I'm on your side.
This is a good spot. Let's do this. I'm on your 6, Sergeant. Yeah, this is for me.
Just like that. Firing on target.
Corvette's gonna rip this base apart. What's the situation, Noble?
Can't do this on my own. Need another Spartan up here. 6, get to the top floor and assist the meal.
I'm clear. Oh, not good. up. Right behind you.
Corvette's gonna rip this base apart. What's the situation, Noble?
Can't do this on my own. Need another Spartan up here.
Going in! Let's do this. On your 6, LT. Appreciate it.
Jack!
Fire!
Likes that!
Corvette's gonna rip this base apart. What's the situation, Noble?
Can't do this on my own. Need another Spartan up here. 6, get to the top floor and assist a meal.
Going cold.
More targets acquired.
Good to go. Got a hit! Opening fire!
He's hiding.
Keep moving up, Noble. Keep moving up, Noble 6.
Laying down heavy fire. If you need me to move, just ask.
Commander, this base won't survive another salvo from that Corvette. Kill those Banshees.
Upstairs, Lieutenant. We need those long swords in the air.
Noble team, longswords are inbound and ready to push. Orbital defense is standing by to take the shot.
Beautiful, ain't it? Someone should take a picture. Nice work, by the way.
I aim to please.
5, 6, get down to the science wing. Dr. Halsey wants a debrief and command saying we're all hers.
Repeat? Sounded like you said Halsey.
I did.
Copy that, on our way. Don't need command to tell me. Been all hers half my life.
I requested your assistance, Commander, and do not need a report on events that occur on my own doorstep. What I do require is a detailed account of your previous engagement. George, it's been too long.
Mom,
What have you done with my armor?
just some additions I've made.
Indeed. Visegrad Relay. Its data center was home to one of my xenoarchaeologists, Professor Laszlo Sorvad. Perhaps you could shed some light on his death.
If he was a civilian male in his mid-60s, he died with a Covenant energy sword through his abdomen.
Elites, then?
They engaged us as well. It was just after we found your scientist's daughter, Mom. She was hiding in the...
Irrelevant. The elites. Tell me more about them.
3, Zealot class. One got by us. The leader, from the looks of him.
Zealots. You're certain?
Their armor configuration matched.
Shield strength 2.
I gave the order not to pursue. Our primary objective was to get the station's relay back online.
Your primary objective? Commander, are you a puppet or a Spartan?
Ma'am?
There are those at ONI, myself included, who believe the Covenant dispatch elite advance teams to hunt down artifacts of value to their religion. Survivor accounts suggests such teams are small, nimble, and almost always Zealot class. No doubt they came to the station for the abundance of ONI excavation data stored there. And you let them get away.
Data retrieval was not a command directive. Even had we known, we had other more urgent matters to attend to.
Like warning the planet.
Professor Sorvad's final entry in his field notes made reference to a latchkey discovery. Latchkey. Not a word he would use lightly. So let's hope that the data module your Lieutenant Commander stole contains it.
Cat?
Before you ask, I was alerted the moment you attempted to access its contents, as I am with any unauthorized tap. That data is classified Tier 1. I could send you to the brig for interfering with my work.
Maybe you'd like to join her.
I'm sorry?
We're currently under emergency planetary directive, winter contingency. I'm sure you're familiar with the punishment for civilian interference with the Spartan deployment.
Are you threatening me, Commander?
Just making a reading suggestion, ma'am. Let's move, Noble Team.
Mom?
That will be all, George.